Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering off the Vivo and removing the SIM to rule out a physical issue. Reseat the card cleanly and reboot. Once done, you immediately toggle airplane mode on then off to reset radios and make sure mobile data is enabled. Then go to Settings, SIM and Network and manually search for operators to confirm the phone isn't locked to the wrong network. These quick actions eliminate common hardware or simple software states before deeper troubleshooting. If the basics didn't fix it, test the SIM in another device to isolate carrier versus phone issues. If the SIM works elsewhere, the Vivo needs attention. Next, inspect APN settings for your carrier and reset network settings to clear corrupt profiles. This often restores registration. Also check for system updates. Vivo patches can carry radio and modem fixes. Make sure to back up any important data before resets, because restoring network defaults will remove saved Wi-Fi and VPN entries. For final steps, change the preferred network type to force the modem to reattach. Switch between 4G and 3G briefly and reboot. If radio firmware looks corrupted or issues persist after resets, perform a factory reset after backing up your data to wipe troublesome configs. Finally, if nothing restores service, contact your carrier with the SIM and IMEI details and visit an authorized Vivo center. They can check network provisioning or reflash modem firmware. Troubleshooting tip: enable engineering mode logs or capture baseband logs to share with technicians.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.